Hello friends, my name is Raj Patel from Aero A section. Today we have discussed about reinforced plastic. Reinforced plastic polymer of composite are defined as a matrix of polymeric material that is reinforced by fibers or other reinforcing material. Some matching die modeling, RTM, spray up, hand layup, filament winding, ultration, rain. It's a reinforced plastic, high string ratio, oriented strain, design flexibility, lightweight, corrosion resistance, low maintain, low maintenance, and long-term large parts size possibility. Tailored as a appends, dimensional stability, low thermal conductivity, low insulation costs. It's a benefits of reinforced plastics. Resin, polymers, reinforcement, fillers, adhesive. That's all of included in reinforcement plastics. Primary function to transfer stress between reinforced fibers and to protect them from mechanical and environmental damage. So reinforced plastic is a protect to mechanical and environmental damage. So it's a good for good plastics. Types of plastics of thermoset and thermoplastic. There are two types of thermoplastics. Reinforced thermoset and thermoplastics. Thermoset and thermoplastics. So thermoset is a polyester is a thermoset. Then acetal is a thermoplastic. Vinyl ester is a thermoset. Epoxy, phenolic, polyester, they all are thermoset. Then acetal, acrylonitrile, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, ABS, acrylonitrile, butadiene, styrene, ABS, nylon, polyethylene, poly, polypropylene, that all are thermoplastics. Intermediate length fiber reinforced. The longer the fibers, the more difficult it's to cut the fibers enough to reap strange benefits. Low excessive thermoset wet out the materials better than high weight viscosity thermoplastic. Generally use unspectured polyester and vinyl styrene resin for FRP. Very long fibers of continuous fibers. Second topic of very long fibers of typically used with thermoset also for wet out reasons. Used generally in advanced composites parts and have a great material property requirements. Generally used epoxidants. There are three topics of very long fibers continuous. There are three types of fibers: fiberglass. This is a fiberglass, carbon fiber, and graphite. It's a carbon fiber and graphites. And last, Ca- Kevlar, organic fiber, and aromatics. Three types of fibers: fiberglass, carbon fiber, graphic carbon fiber, and organic fibers. Hand up techniques of fiber optics. Hand layup technique is the simplest method of composite processing. These processing steps are quite simple. So these all are processing steps. First of all, first of all, mode mode is a thread with a release again to agent to prevent sticky. First of all, mode is a tracking with a release agent to prevent sticking. Gel coat layers are placed on the mode to give decorative and protective surface. Put dove reinforce, woven rings or chopped. The Trotman resin is mixed with a curing agents and applied with brush or roll on the reinforcement. Curing at room temperature. Second one, curing is room temperature. After curing either at room temperature or at some specific temperature, mode is open and the developed composite part is taken out of further. Hand layer up method, finding application in areas like aircraft compounds, automotive parts, boat holes, disease boards, deck, etc. This it's a figure of this is a figure of hand layup, so resin, lamination, reinforcement plastic. When we are taking resin in one contact mode, then after laminated particle and reinforcement are rolling them. Release fill, gel coat, fiber reinforce, hand roller, cousin, resin, mode. Which raw material used in fiber plastics? Matrix. Epoxy. First of all, matrix. Epoxy, polyester, polyvinyl ester, phenolic resin, unstable polyester, etc. We use in matrix and dreads for reinforcement plastic, glass fiber, carbon fiber, armate fiber, natural plant fibers, etc. These all are seashell, banana, nettle, hemp, flax. All are recommended in reinforcement plastic. All those fiber are in foam. Spray up techniques, variant of hand layup. Mode is a treated with a release again to prevent stitching. Gel coat layers are placed on the mood to give decorative and protective surface. The gun sprays the mixture chopped fiber, resin, and catalytic on the mood. Roll out to remove air and give up a smooth surface. Poor rollout can induce structural weakness by having rain, air bubbles, disloyalty of fibers, and poor weight out. Figure of reinforcement plastic, how to create a. This is a resin receiver and injection pot. We have to connect, we both are connect with pump, and injection pot is a connect with mode button, and in two mode button center cell oriented fiber vent mode button. This is a cell oriented fiber. This layer is a oriented fiber and this is a cell. Then after preform tool, preform tool, injection presence, cure, demold, mold button. Types of material. which process in use. So we are making a fiber reinforcement plastics. Their material types. Typically performance fibers, axial waves, triaxial waves, knit, multi-axial, multi-layer warp, knit, 3D or orthogonal fabric, 3D branding, 3D casting, etc. So we have discussed about reinforcement plastic, how to manufacture of reinforcement plastic, which there are different types of reinforcement plastic, thermoset, thermoplastic, three types of reinforcement plastic, where how to make a reinforcement plastic, which material we used in reinforcement plastic. That's it. Okay. Thank you.